Nice to meet you all. In this video, I will describe my latest trade and show you the different approach to high volatility. Watch till the end and you will figure out why trading without order book is not profitable anymore. Let's switch to the first trade. The simpler your strategy is, the better you can work it out. The example of classic breakout. People USDT instrument, it has been pumping for a whole day, and on 1 hour time frame I noticed ideal extremos. I opened a small position to control the trade, then I add the core position and we see the impulse. The really good impulse. It's so fast that I start fixing manually. The impulse was so drastic that I lost control under the price and start fixing. Plus $130 on this trade. Next trade, a pullback from huge size. We see the WLC USDT instrument sharply reached the size of almost 3 million coins. This is the first sharp approach and it's almost impossible for buyers to execute the whole size in just one print. That's why I place limit orders here in advance and open a position for very low volume to control the trade and place stop loss behind the size. The pullback, as you see, in process. So I start fixing from 1% of profit. As you see, the pullback is really active. And finally, the trade is closed, plus $67. Another two interesting trades. True USDT and TNSR. On True USDT, it was an attempt to load in advance towards the breakout of the 1 hour level with a very clear stop loss of minus $25 for $30. While on TNSR, as you see, the instrument is very active and the idea was to break the local consolidation during strong uptrend movement. The breakout is in process, as you see, very active instrument. So we have very good potential of the trade with very short stop loss and huge potential. I decided to start fixing partially as the instrument started to lose its activity. On True USDT, I noticed the pressure of sellers on the tape and I decided to fix a little loss of $17. Then as well I decided to fix totally the TNSR USDT because the instrument lost the activity. As you see, the tape is getting slower and slower, losing its potential. Minus $17 on True USDT and plus $80 on TNSR. Fill USDT, very clear classic situation. Active instrument has formed clear extremums inside consolidation. The idea was to open long position from the retest towards the breakout of this consolidation. I would like to draw your attention to the most significant part. Again, we have good risk-reward ratio, namely very short stop loss against insane potential. Finally, the breakout is in the process. I placed pending orders to fix a part here in case this size will be disrupted by active sellers. Finally, I gave a chance to trade. As you see, the size was disrupted, it was executed. And I just gave a chance to a trade. I hoped for the retest and the continuation of this movement. As you see, there is still the good potential to break the cascade levels. But unfortunately, there was a rollback of the price. And the last part was fixed by stop loss in the break-even point. Plus $180. And the last trade, small consolidation as you see on 1 minute time frame, and the idea was to continue that impulsive movement. We call this formation of a smart zone. As well, short stop loss against really good impulsive potential movement. I'm adding the position. The impulse is in process, and I start fixing manually. So I fixed 1.7% of movement, and this trade brings me plus $130. As you see, some market inefficiencies were noticed by me right inside the order book. For example, you can't see huge limit orders to catch a pullback just watching the chart. So the main conclusion of this video: always use order book in scalping and be ready to use several strategies to diversify your trading. If you are interested in dismantling several strategies that I showed you in this video, write it in the comments below and we will make a new video. See you soon.